Ben, I'm from Melbourne, in Reservoir. Got into cars with my old man, he was a panel beater, had his own shop. Spent a lot of time there after school, every day. My brother's a motor mechanic, so kind of had no choice but to follow the footsteps. I've got a panel shop as well. My brother's got a mechanical workshop. I'm a panel beater by trade. And yeah, I'm stuck with cars for the rest of my life, I reckon. I had a RX-7 probably about 9 years ago. It was the one car I regretted selling. This came up for sale at a good price when I was just before I opened up my own shop. I bought it about 9 years ago, and yeah, the build just blew out of proportion, and it's just gone like this. Yeah, it's taken about 9 years to build. We've been chipping away at it slowly, just on and off, working around customers' cars as well. Probably in the last year we started really going hard at it, wanted to get the car finished, and started putting a lot of late nights in, and yeah, finally got it around done. But you know, we're happy with the end result, and it's turned out well. Yeah, it's got a 13B Series 6 in it, Bridgeport, for a 3-speed Jacko, 9-inch diff, half chassis, tub, roll cage. Like I said, the car started off as just a standard aspirated build, and it just kept going off as growing and growing and growing, and now we've got what you see here. I'm a Ford man. My favourite combine at Ford is Diamond White, so I wanted something similar to a Diamond White XW, the colour base. I thought build something that's going to suit the era of the vehicle, but also a little bit different as well to what everybody else has, from a candy paint job, etc. Obviously, being a painter, we just mix something up, and this is what we've ended up with. Everybody calls it white, blue, green. We don't even know what it is anymore. Like I said, the car started off, we built it an NA rotor, then we went a little bit bigger, then we started going for a more concourse build. We didn't even have any plans with the car when we started building it. We just built it just for something to do, and yeah, it wasn't really anything just set out for a goal. Just what we got is what we got in the end. Favourite things are memories of just building the car. Just, you know, I think that's why we build cars, you know, you enjoy the time doing it. It's not so much the goal of the car finish at the end of the day, it's just build itself. That's why we actually do what we do as well. We enjoy the builds, and yeah, the people we build them with. Down in Melbourne, we drive it down to the beach, down St Kilda. We're just happy to go out, enjoy the cars, go for a drive. A few of the boys and missus all have their cars. So we enjoy just going out whenever we can, whenever the weather's good. We'll see how the rotary lasts. I always had a goal of putting a Windsor in the car, to be honest with you. I like my V8s, but look, plans for the future, just put some boost in it, race it, see how we go from there, and just take it as it comes. Yeah, definitely got some plans to take it to a track. Once we get back from Summernats, we'll throw it on the dyno, have put some more power in it, and yeah, really keen to go racing with it really soon. Hopefully make some good power and run a good time. High 8, we'll hopefully be there. And my painter, he's big in the car scene, in the show car scene, and I took a lot of advice and ideas from him. So we kind of bounced ideas off each other. I always liked the gold Simmons, and we thought, okay, the engine bay looks a little bit plain, all blacked out, the engine, yeah, let's go something different. So we threw it out there, we went and got the turbo gold plated, and we stuck with it, it looked good, so yeah, here we are. Interior, yeah, so a friend of mine back in Melbourne, CKT Trimming, he'd done all trim work. I had something in mind where I wanted to keep it almost factory style trim, so keep the same vinyl, same look, but also give it that kind of drag racing feel. So look, I copped a lot of flack for Kirkies, small car Kirkies. How am I going to fit in it? But yeah, no, it's just, we wanted to keep that kind of original look with a dragway twist to it. And yeah, that's what we ended up with, and we're stoked. We actually love the trim. Colour-coded roll cage as well, I think it looks really good. And it's basic, but we think it works well. Thanks to my workshop, my team, Custom Body and Automotive, JR Modifications for the chassis work, suspension work, all my mates, my missus. Obviously my mate Zen behind there, wouldn't have finished the car without him. He wired the car up for me, and obviously spent too many hours with me working on the car. And yeah, that's about it.